This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Martin. Beloved garden development and assets, a 5-acre plot. Well and septic installed. Many old-growth oaks to the far east, 2 acres. Guest sites were designed to allow as much room as possible for guests to stretch their legs and enjoy playing and gardening in their sites, as well as room for storage buildings and pet play yards. Designated gardening/landscape area 6 feet next to all roadways. Largest sites are 80 feet deep by 30 feet wide. Many with picnic tables and/or brick fire pits. Average site is 65 by 27. 3 pull-through sites. All full hookups, 30-50 amp with 10/individual meters. 5 boondocking sites. 1 future office/general store site. 1 future community center. Half-acre semi-turnaround. 40 fruit tree orchard. 1/8 acre unfenced dog park. Large dumpster. Crushed concrete installed, fencing installed. For more information.